So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this twirling morph transition. So first start off with a blank slide. Then go to Insert, Shapes, and add a rounded rectangle. And add a shape somewhat of this size. Then go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Now right click the shape, click on Format Shape, and change the fill to Gradient Fill. And in the presets, choose the second preset. Now rotate this shape a little bit to the right. Now let's insert the 3 images. So now that we have these 3 images, one of the Taj Mahal, one of the Empire State Building, and one of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So now position 2 of these images outside the borders of the slide. Then choose the image that you want first and place it within the slide, somewhat like that. Now for these 2 outside images, you want to scale them down and rotate them clockwise. Now once you're done with the design of this slide, go ahead and duplicate the slide. Now select the image that you had earlier, scale it down, position it to the left, and rotate it anti-clockwise. Then take your second image, rotate it to position it normally, and scale it up. If you need, you can also always crop the bottom of these images if you want only the top. Now choose the background shape that we made earlier and rotate this slightly anti-clockwise as well. Now duplicate the slide again and repeat the process the same as last time. And once again, select the background shape and rotate it further anti-clockwise. Now on the left hand side, you can input your texts. Now right click the background, click on Format Background, and change the color to something you find preferable. Now select all 3 slides, go to Transitions, and select Morph. Now let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.